Well, we're going to head over to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth. Josh, can you tell us a little bit more about this lightning that could be happening today with all the dry fuels on the ground?
Yeah, it's the combination of dry fuels and potentially some dry lightning. So that could spark numerous wildfires. Again, the key word there is potentially, but it's something we are definitely very concerned about, which is why we're going with extreme fire weather today for the Cascades and Klamath Basin. But it's going to be critical in Jackson County, Josephine County, and especially for Siskiyou counties and Lake counties. As things are pretty dry everywhere, and it doesn't take much lightning to start a fire. Current temperatures this morning are in the 40s and 50s to the east of the Cascades, 50s and 60s for west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Let's go ahead and put the day in motion with Stormcast, and we'll stop this right around lunchtime, a little bit after that. And at this point, we'll start to see some cumulus clouds bubbling up. We'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms popping up on the map. And then as we head to the peak of daytime heating, which is 4, 5, 6 p.m., this is likely when we're going to see our most lightning and most thunderstorms on the map. Again, most of it being in Klamath Lake and some of Siskiyou County, but we could see some storms making it into Jackson and Josephine counties. And then into Saturday, it's pretty much going to be the exact same cycle. Right around lunchtime, cumulus clouds start to bubble up. Could have some thunderstorms, but it's looking like coverage is going to be much less this time. But again, a few more could sneak into Jackson or Josephine counties, but the emphasis will continue to be in Klamath Lake and Siskiyou counties. And then the chances for thunderstorms on Sunday are looking very small, and it would mainly just be for Lake County. So for today, we'll have highs that'll be a little bit cooler compared to yesterday, especially to the east of the Cascades, where we'll be in the low to mid 80s, but still reaching into the middle 90s for some stretches over west side valleys, and a little bit warmer today along the coast in Curry County, where the marine layer will be a little bit weaker compared to the previous few days, but we'll still have some clouds and obviously much cooler compared to inland spots. And then for tonight, the sun goes down, the thunderstorms fizzle out. We will have some clouds left over to the east of the Cascades, but I think most of us will be clear in terms of clouds, but we could have some thick smoke in southern Curry County due to the flat fire, and then up into Douglas County, and that would be due to the bedrock fire. Here is your fair forecast for the Klamath County Fair, and we have the last 3 days ahead of us. And the best chances for thunderstorms will be today and tomorrow, but still below a 50% chance. So don't cancel your plans to go to the fair. Just hopefully those fair officials will be tracking the weather very closely. Remember, when thunder roars, head indoors. It's as simple as that. Thunderstorm chances will linger into Sunday, mainly for Lake County, and then after that we look drier and cooler into next week, which is going to lower fire weather impacts, but extreme for Friday in the meantime. And of course, you can see some cooler temperatures next week. Like I've already mentioned, that will be a driving factor, but behind our fuels getting a little bit more relaxed. As a 7-day forecast for the coast, we'll see some reductions in air quality to the south of the flat fire with winds coming out of the north. For Siskiyou County, we'll have a better chance of showers and thunderstorms today as opposed to tomorrow. And for the basin, we'll have a decent chance at some showers and thunderstorms for both Friday and Saturday, but I think we'll probably have more expansive coverage today. You can say the exact same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous, and then for the Rogue Valleys, a very small chance for a thunderstorm today or tomorrow, but going back to being completely dry for Sunday.